People just need validation that they're not crazy.
The dissonance that's created within the context of these relationships is what prevents them from really knowing whether or not they're crazy. And so it's this vicious cycle. Cognitive dissonance is actually a term that comes from like social learning theory a while ago, when basically two opposing thoughts or beliefs are occurring simultaneously. It's making it difficult for somebody to land on one or the other. And so it creates a lot of internal discomfort, like an internal clash.
Isn't it true that the greater the pain of acknowledging what you're disassociating from, the more that you're going to disassociate, right?
Absolutely.
They've learned to regulate their behaviors. They're walking on eggshells all the time, just like the safe, protective parent. Yet they can very quickly disassociate from that person, that caretaker being an abuser. Can you talk a little bit about that and why that happens? I want moms and dads out there to hear that the abuser doesn't have to be overtly aggressive for this to occur.
It's not always this overt aggression, coercion. It's, like you said, subtle, insidious. Sometimes they can play the role of the feigned rescuer.
What do you do when you're in the den with a wolf? You try to play nice. And even the more we ignite the shame, the more that we're fortifying exactly what the abuser wants. The abuser wants them to feel invaluable, wants them to feel that they're not worthy of love.
I encourage people rather to dismiss the idea that children could misbehave or could have a predisposition to misbehave. I encourage people to look for it, acknowledge it, and then get them help as soon as possible, because that's the best defense against something escalating.
There's no one better to heal your child than you.
That's
You have
right.
so much good power, personal power to actually shift or pivot the
Yeah.
direction your child's going.